Welcome friends, today is 6th of February. It is my birthday. So we are spending our day in Cheung Chau Island. So here are some videos and pictures. We're in ferry. This is the seawater, the mountains, my birthday. Inside of the boat ferry, the seawater, the mountains. Here is a video. Waves. These are the waves. Yeah. And here are some pictures of me, Cheung Chau Island, boats, me, and this is a temple, love and the seawater and me at the beach. We are at the beach, so we're going to the beach, and I'm in the beach now. I'm playing with the water and the sand. And here's a video. This is my castle and I'm playing with the seawater. Yeah, so cool. Mountains. Hi. Some buildings.
Hi Yuvi.
Hello.
Happy birthday.
Thank you.
Sure.
I'm playing. Yoo-hoo! So cool in the water. The water is so cold, but I like to play in the water. Yeah, so cool and refreshing. That's my castle. So funny. Yeah, here. And here is me. Ooh. Yeah. I'm taking the sand and throwing it into the seawater. The seawater is salty. Yuck. Yeah. There. I'm throwing the sand in the seawater. Funny me. So, yeah. Cool. And here's the temple, rocks, and I'm eating the ice cream. I'm eating an ice cream, strawberry ice cream. It's from MacD. And here's the mountains again. And I'm on the ferry. This is the waves. And yeah. And this is the sunset. It's gonna the sunset. The sun is gone. Yeah. There's the buildings, my donut, my cake, and my present. Hey guys, today I'm gonna review my new gun, which is Xshot Turbo Advance. So let's unwrap it. here is the gun. It's wheel and it's bullets. So put this over here like this. Just like this. Now the bullets are in. So take this big gun and pull it over. Here. This over here. Like this. You see? Now you see this? Put it over here. Here. It's like this. Yeah. And you see this switch? If you move it to the top, it will shoot this layer. If you move it to the bottom, like this, it will shoot this layer. So, yeah. Pew, 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 pew. Yeah, and this you can fix it again. I don't know how to fix this. So like this you can shoot. Pew, pew, pew. So like this you can shoot, and you shoot this layer, this, you can shoot it like this. So heavy. Pew pew, whoa. It has a lots of bullets, and yeah, I'm so proud of my gun. Pew pew pew. I don't have to load it again and again like my old gun. Yuck. So this was my birthday gift. Yes. And you can, if you pull it, it rotates. You see? So you can this pew, this pew, this pew. Yeah. Oh. So yeah. Let's see it. Let's play with it. Bullet